Hello everyone and welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. If you're new and viewing for the first time, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will be making a Glam Tea Light Candle Holder and a Glam Rotating Vanity Tray. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. The first project you will need a 5 by 15 inch board, 6 5-inch mirrors from the Dollar Tree, 3 tea lights, 4 knobs, scissors, Mod Podge, and something to apply it with. We are cutting out 4 strips of gems and we will apply it to the 4 edges of the board. We are placing the strips in the center to give it more of a polished look. For time's sake and for the mirrors to adhere quicker, we are using a glue gun. Make sure to remove the stoppers on the back of your mirror so your mirror can lay flat on its surface. We are applying the tea lights with a glue gun for time's sake, but if you would like yours permanent, you would have to use a permanent glass glue. Our recommendation for a permanent glass glue would be Epoxy by Gorilla. Now you can accessorize your vanity tray however you desire to do so. If you want to use acrylic gems, you can do that as well. They also look very pretty on the vanity tray. The dots and the glue have been set. We're to apply the rotator to the back of the 8-inch mirror, and we will apply the rotator to the back of the 12-inch mirror. Make sure you apply stoppers onto the mirror. It protects the mirror and also keeps it from sliding in case it's on a glass surface. For time's sake, we went on ahead and glue gunned some diamond crystals onto the mirror. And if you want to make this permanent, you have to use a permanent glass glue. Our recommendation is Epoxy by Gorilla. This does complete our tutorial for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.